The pricing is straightforward, and it starts with basically the pricing is based on the number of automated Google tabs that you have. So as we see, as we see here, we've created, for instance, these two are automated tabs. So our starter plan would be totally fine because it allows creating those two automated tabs. Yeah. Also, in the future, when we'll have writebacks, you'll be able, yeah, depending on your plan, the number of writebacks will be uh, limited. And also your refresh rate, how often Hopted updates information, is also dependable on the pricing tier you are at. But for instance, some of our accounts are some of our bigger accounts, like agencies. For them, like 32 synced tabs are not enough. So for that case, they will be able, like they're able to buy an add-on of additional 20 synced tabs for $25. Yeah, Hopted is a verified Amazon Ads and Seller Central integration partner, so you'll find our listings not only on the internet but also on official Amazon app directories. So we're over here. So if we go here, you'll see the Hopted. So that's pretty much it from my side, Baba.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you, Alex, on the pricing, if we can go back, we can scroll up. So we have option to pay annually and monthly also. So now we're seeing the annual pricing, right? So this means like this is one-time yearly payment. So or monthly is per month, but we have 50% off kind of on the annual. So as you can see, the plus is say about 75x2 is 150 per month. But if you go for the yearly, it will be 75 per month, but in 75x12. So like it's going to be a yearly payment or 140 in the monthly, I guess. So it's kind of around 15 in the case of the plus,
Correct,
but
yes.
yeah, but still like annual of course saves more money and one chunk of investment. And I would say that for those who see the power of it while doing the free trial, we'll try to basically, give some extended free trial maybe or some good benefit. We'll have it link in the description through a link to access the deal. But even with a normal 7-day free trial, people can try, see how it is. Then if they want to go monthly, they can. Again, it's so different type of sellers, so many different types of sellers and each to their own, but you can pay one time per year or monthly. And of course, monthly will be a bit more expensive eventually, but up to the user, I believe. And yeah, as we've said, there's the sync tabs, which is the difference between the plans mainly. So those two tabs on the left lower side, right? If I understand correctly, of the Google Sheet. For Plus, it's
Correct.
32 of these, and sometimes it's not enough even for the bigger agencies, so they might buy an add-on. Or for those who just are enough with whatever it is, writebacks are our ability to change, let's say, the price inside the Google Sheet, which will go back into Seller Central and update it on Seller Central. Data refresh is also like, as we've mentioned, like maybe a bit longer for starter plan or for plus plan. It's like quite fast. Spreadsheet collaborators, I believe, is people who are your teammates that you can invite, your virtual assistants. Uh, Correct?
Yeah, correct. Sorry, totally forgot to mention about spreadsheet collaborators. So the pricing tiers also are dependent on the number of people with whom the spreadsheet is shared. So over here, Hopted is tracking how many people, how many teammates are sharing the spreadsheets where Hopted pulls in data. Obviously, we don't count our own emails, our own service email. So, and yeah, each of those plans allows you to invite in total three people, three collaborators, three teammates. These could be virtual assistants. These could be your normal employees. And again, additionally, you can purchase
Mm, hmm.
for $6 per extra collaborator.
So if we're going for the yearly plan, say, and we're looking to buy a collaborator space, so that would be $6 x 12, for
Uh,
example, or
X12, correct.
okay. Yeah,
Hmm.
fair enough, man. Fair enough. I think it's pretty clear with the pricing. Again, in the description, we're gonna have a link to get a free trial. We'll try to make maybe some extended free trial or something like that for our listeners and viewers to benefit even more from the normal 7 day. But yeah, let's see what's available. And of course, any questions. Also, there's the contact us on the website. You can speak with the team. I believe there's a option to get some help. Plus, maybe if you have any features that you're interested in as the viewer, listener, maybe you can speak with the guys and see what's possible.
Yeah, we are available through the chat window over here. You can
Hmm.
type your message here, and typically within a few hours or even less, we'll get back to you with the help.